new pickup in. Picked up the Clot Gazelles by Edison. I'm surprised that these actually sold out. So yeah, picked these up off Wish ATL. They had it. So yeah, regular Clot box, Adidas, Clot Gazelle by EC. Go with the shoes. There's like a prime knit material. There's a Gazelle. Has the beaded for 3 stripes. Got that suede. Very soft suede. Comes with the blue laces, Clot, Adidas logo. It's the bottoms, like gum bottoms. These are clean. These are clean. Another collaboration. Here's out the pair. Clot logo. Adidas logo. Yeah. I went half size down. Usually in Sambas and Gazelles. I'm usually half size down. So yeah, pick these up. I like these little rope laces on there. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. Out. Peace.